yung tips mo for parents who maybe they can't afford a forest school but they want to bring their children outdoors? Ano yung tips mo for families who are introducing their children to an outdoor experience? How do you make it a positive one?
Oh, unang-una, be intentional in taking your kids outside. Kasi hindi naman yan lalabas kung hindi mo sila ilalabas. 'Di ba? I mean, I don't think they will wake up, I want to go outside. 'Di ba? Lalo na kung nasa urban area ka talaga. I don't think that's natural for kids to say. But ikaw bilang magulang, schedule it. Kung nakakapag-schedule ka ng mall time, or kung nakakapag-schedule ka ng movie time, then I'm sure going outside, going somewhere natural should be an easy thing to do. Kung hindi mo man kaya ng once a week, siguro once in 2 weeks or once a month, just to get the children familiar with nature and outdoors. And it doesn't have to be structured or planned. So, you can, yung aspect ng learner-led, as a parent, you know, okay, o let's say, dalhin mo yung anak mo sa park. Kunyari, nasa Quezon City ka, dalhin mo sa wildlife. And just observe your child. Ano kaya yung interested siyang gawin? Diba? Gusto niya kayang humawak ng puno? Or gusto niya kayang magpulot ng termite? Or ng dahon? And then from there, because you know that that's something that they're interested in, then there's a relationship that's being built already between your child and the natural environment. And then just make it a regular thing until, you know, the relationship becomes, oh, you're my friend na, yung puno, friend ko na, gusto ko na sa nature. Because they cannot love or they cannot protect something that they're not familiar with. So it's just, you know, making it a regular part of your life.